Hello, welcome back. I wanted to show you what wild clematis looks like when it gets away from you. So this whole big mess is wild clematis mixed with some grapevines and some climbing rose vines. So yeah, that's pretty invasive in our area. I do see some yards with a bunch of tangle of these wild clematis in their yard. I don't know if they have them there on purpose or if it just gets away from them, but all of these fluffy little seeds that turn into like cotton puffball dandelion type puffies, they blow away in the wind and they blow into other yards and tumble down the road and go all kinds of places. So I'm always trying to get these out when they're little shoots. I'm able to recognize them, but this one here seems to have gotten away from us. This is part of our grapevine section, and we do have grapevine team that takes care of this, and I actually take care of the section that's farther that way. But this either they didn't know about the clematis to try to get it out right away, or they didn't know how to recognize it, or maybe they just really didn't notice it with all these climbing roses in here. So yeah, this is going to be kind of a mess to get out, and it's just going to keep traveling and making more plants if we don't take care of that now. The roots do tend to be kind of long and thin, so you have to kind of dig down to get the roots out. So yeah, I don't know, maybe there are some areas where this is not that invasive, but in our neighborhood it just kind of pops up everywhere. So there you have it, wild clematis, and I will see you next time.